Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix important battery message on your iPhone. So guys, if you're facing this pop-up or message on your iPhone that says your battery's health is significantly degraded, an Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. So guys, basically this is not a problem, this is only a message for you about your phone's battery health. So guys, basically your battery health is not good, it is significantly degraded and the performance of your battery has been decreased. So guys, since your battery is not performing well, then you will get this message again and again until you replace the battery of your iPhone. So guys, simply you have to replace the battery of your iPhone, and after this message will disappear as well. So guys, if you tap on find your service options from here, you will get some assistance from the Apple support team. So guys, here you can see this, you can schedule a repair, you can find a local Apple authorized service provider for your iPhone's battery. So guys, once you tap on this, you will be able to get the information regarding the authorized service provider, and once you get the contact number from here, you can replace the battery of iPhone from this service provider center. So guys, this is the way to fix this issue on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.